Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, you guys. So I'm back with a video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you haven't already. I've been seeing that we have been growing, and I'm so happy about that. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm just happy to be back. I miss you guys so much. I've been waiting to film videos for you guys. I have like a list of videos that I'm going to be filming for you guys, so I'm just happy to be back. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media if you haven't already. I'll link the rest of my social media down in the description box as well. The other thing that I have would be Instagram and Twitter, so if you guys want to follow me on those two things, I will link those for you guys down below. And without further ado, let's just get into the actual video because I am so effing excited for this video, you guys. So today's video is going to be a quick little makeup tutorial, I guess you could say, slash review slash unboxing. It's a lot of slashes in this video. And you know I had to spend my coins. One of my favorite people to watch on YouTube that is a fitness vlogger, beauty vlogger, health vlogger is Whitney Simmons. I love her so much. I've never met her in person, and hopefully one day I can. But I just adore the human that she is. She's so positive, so beautiful, like just naturally like beautiful. She's just a beautiful person overall, so I love her so much. Whitney, if you're watching this, I love you, girl. If you guys don't know who Whitney is and don't even watch her videos, like what are you doing? Like, love her. She like makes my day when she uploads a video. She's the best. So anyway, so I went ahead and bought her freaking Tarte Whitney collection. The value for this whole thing, which is the eyeshadow, the mascara, and the lipstick, is actually $64, but they were selling this whole thing for 32 bucks, so I got my hands on it because I have to support her. I love her, like, and stuff, and I really like it because it's so small that you can just pretty much like bam, put this in your gym bag. Girl, she got you. If you guys want to see the review and the unboxing, just go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see you guys next video. All right, bye. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already went ahead and did my brows, prepped and primed my face, applied foundation. I haven't bronzed yet. I figured I would save that for the end and the highlight and stuff, but for the most part, everything on my face is pretty much done. I'm currently baking, so I figured this would be a good time for me to go ahead and do the eyeshadow. If you guys are curious what I used on my face, I will link all the products and stuff in the description box. So just so we don't take up too much time on what's on my face and get into the products. So packaging, it looks like, so it's packaged in the tissue paper. So I ordered this off Tarte's website before Ulta had gotten it, and so they gave me some extra little samples. Have the beautiful Whitney Simmons and her palette. So for $32, you're getting a really good deal. You're getting a lipstick, and so you're getting a lipstick, a mascara, and a palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Wrapped again on the inside. I'm gonna open it up carefully. So here is the mascara. This is the Man Eater mascara. Here is the lipstick. It's super cute packaging. It's like an ombre effect, and then it has shoes on it. And then it says Whitney Simmons, and this is in the color Bare Bud. And then here is the gorgeous palette. Packaging is really cute though. I really love, like, this is such a Whitney like palette. So I really like that. And then on the back it's gold. And you guys know I love me some gold. It's like the size of my hand. So that's really nice. So that kind of shows you it doesn't take up too much space. When you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside here. It has a really nice big mirror, which I really appreciate. So it looks like one of the blush is called Sweat. The highlight in here is called Flex. The eyeshadows start with Cut, Snatch, Tone Up, Trainer, Cardio, and Reps. And so there's matte shades, shimmery shades, and like satin shades, I think. So I will go ahead and do some swatches for you guys, which you guys will see a little bit later. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes and kind of just wing it. You know, that's how we do. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. By the way, I'm really sorry if the lighting is kind of crazy in here right now. The sun's kind of doing some weird stuff, and I got really lazy and didn't want to set up my lighting, so I do apologize for that in advance. We're gonna start with the shade cut, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid to have a nice like clean base. Apply this to my lid. So next I'm gonna take the shade Tone Up, and I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush if I can find it. If not, I found it. And I'm just gonna take a tad bit and then do that and start in the crease. Ooh, I like this. Alright. Take a little bit more. I'm gonna start in the crease and then I'm eventually just gonna put it all over my lid. Okay. There we go. Up close and personal. Okay. I really like how this blends. I expected like nothing less because I have used Tarte's palettes before and they just blend really well. And then the pigmentation in their palettes is usually pretty spot on. So not disappointing at all. I'm just gonna drag it up a little bit more right here on the sides. So next shade, I'm going to take the shade Reps. I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush because I'm going to pack it into the outer V because we're gonna make it a little bit smoky. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and just really blend that in because I don't want any harsh lines. I'm not going to cut the crease or anything. We're just going to play this as like an easy go-to thing. So I'm going to use that same Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, but I'm going to use the flatter side. I'm going to take the shade Trainer. I'm just going to pack it on to the center of our lid, girl. Oh, it looks so pretty. So I'm kind of just dragging it a little bit into my inner corner and then kind of back again. And then we're going to go back and blend it out. So don't you worry, girl. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the reverse fluffy side and we're just going to kind of blend it all in. And take the color Tone Up again and just blend it all together. And bam, girl. So I've never tried this mascara before, so here's the first time. Here we go. So I applied about, I would say 3 coats of it. I just like to go over and kind of spread out my eyelashes. Like I showed you guys, I don't like that look of like clumpy eyelashes. It's just not me. I mean, if that's your cup of tea, girl, do it. It's just not my cup of tea. So I like to go ahead and do that. I really do like this mascara. I really like the spoolie. It applied so easily. Like I didn't have to like go back and get like a whole bunch more product. Take this with you to the gym. You know, if you want, put in your gym bag. To Ulta today and I picked up a new bronzer. Not that I needed one, but I also picked up a new brush from Morphe. This is a face brush and this is the Morphe M581. So I'm going to use this and we'll see how it applies. I'm not really even sure if this is meant for this, but we're gonna go for it. This might be a little bit too dark for me actually now that I see it on me. We'll see. We'll blend it out. We'll make it work. Blend this side out because it just really... I'm just gonna blend this side out a little bit more because I think I just really applied too much on this side. Of the blush from her palette. And then we'll also use the highlight from her palette as well. So back to her palette. I'm going to use Sweat, which is a blush shade she has provided for us. What is that? Vanity Planet. This brush is from the Vanity Planet brush set. And apply it to my cheeks. but I freaking love it. I'm gonna apply a little bit to my nose too. Now my bronzer does not look crazy. And next we're going to take the shade Flex, which is her highlighting shade. Before I apply the highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and spray some Fix Plus on my face. Okay, so before it dries, we're going to grab, where is she? I'm going to grab the Morphe E27 brush, and we're going to take Flex right on this. And we're going to go ham here, okay? And that's probably kind of hard to see because of lighting, but it's actually really pretty. I like it because it's very subtle, so you could use it for like every day and not like blind people. I'll take it down my nose. There's a fly in my room, you guys, and I see it. It's like right there. I'm going to go ahead and apply Whitney's lipstick in the shade, what was it? Bare Bud. I'm not going to line my lips because I really don't want to get up and grab a lip liner. So we're just going to apply it just like this. I really like how this smells. It smells minty. Too light for me, so I'm actually going to grab a lip liner and darken it up just a little bit. So I'm going to take my NYX pencil in the shade Soft Spoken, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it a little bit around the lips just so it's a little bit darker, because right now with my skin tone it looks kind of offish to me. I don't know, so I'm just going to deepen it up a little bit. Alright, so that looks a lot better. I actually really like this color. I like that. Is this not a matte shade? This might not be a matte shade, you guys. I really thought it was matte because I know she wears a lot of matte lipsticks. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Whitney Simmons and Tarte palette. I'm really proud of her, and hopefully one day, speak into existence, y'all be buying my palettes, okay? And yeah, and if you guys want to buy her palette, I'll link it in the description box down below, so if you guys want to check it out, get your hands on it. I don't blame you. So anyways, with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!